All right, let's do some work on the Impala today. This Impala is not a show car, it's a driver. I enjoy driving it, but it has issues. That rim has a bead leak. That back one has a slow bead leak. Clear coat's coming off up here. And that's what we're working on today. So this car has issues, but the issues give it character, and I enjoy driving it. So let's add some tape to that just to keep it from sagging. I don't know, I've seen cars without it and it looks pretty clean, but we're gonna keep it factory for now. Alright, so I didn't bring the right tripod and I don't feel like going inside, so it's gonna be a weird shot. So I already cleaned the back of this with some 91% isopropyl. Just gonna grab this 3M tape here and secure the trim piece. Now there's a thinner version of this specifically for mounting. I don't have it, so we're gonna use what I got. I just don't want it to fall off. The other piece probably would be good right here. This one might show a little bit, but I think we'll be okay. Hope my knee's not blocking you. Let me move over. Now, are we going to be able to get the backing piece off easily? I don't know. But I brought a tool for that. It's already in my pocket. Where am I? Let's try to get the edge there. Got it. One. And two. Okay. Let's make sure we get in the right spot. That's straight. And we'll go with that. Add some pressure. And there you go. Looks good. Good for another 100,000 miles. Thanks for watching.